How to fix classic Outlook crashes when opening a new email in Windows 11. Hello friends, when you open or start a new email, classic Outlook crashes. This problem occurs because Outlook cannot open the Forms library. The issue can occur for Outlook on all Microsoft 365 Office channels. Most of the cases for this issue are on virtual desktop infrastructure. However, here is the official workaround for this issue. Follow these steps. First of all, close Outlook and other Office applications. Then click on the File Explorer icon from the taskbar. Go to C drive where the Windows is installed. Scroll down and open the users folder. Get into your username folder. Open the AppData folder. Go to local. Find Microsoft and open the folder. In this folder, create a new folder. Right click. Put your mouse cursor on New and click on Folder. Name this folder Forms 2. This one. Close the folder. The issue would be solved. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.